In this video, you'll learn how to design user interfaces using Lovable AI. By following these steps, you will create and customize your UI design effectively. First, navigate to the Lovable AI website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will be greeted by the main interface of Lovable AI, which features various options for project management. Next, locate the project button. This is typically found on the main dashboard. After selecting this option, you will see a list of your existing projects or an invitation to create a new one. After that, look for the All Projects option to view all of your projects. This will take you to a screen where you can see thumbnails and details of each project you have created. Once this appears, select the project you wish to work on by clicking on it. This action will bring you to the project's dedicated workspace, where you can manage various aspects of your design. Now click on the Design option located in the project menu. This will redirect you to the design interface where you can start creating or editing your user interface. Next, find and click on the Themes tab. This section allows you to choose from various themes that can enhance the visual appeal of your UI design. Once you are in the Themes section, click on Current Theme to view the theme currently applied to your project. Here, you can see details and options for modifying the existing theme. After that, click on Default Themes to explore the standard themes available. This area provides a range of predefined styles that you can apply to your design. Now, choose a theme that fits your project's needs. You can preview how each theme looks before making a final decision. Next, click on the Apply button to implement the selected theme. This action will initiate the application process for the theme you have chosen. Once you click Apply, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the theme is being applied to your project. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the theme. As the theme is applied, you will see a message stating, "Hang tight while your theme is being applied." This is a notification that the system is processing your request. After the theme has been successfully applied, click on the Design option again to return to the design interface. This allows you to make further adjustments or start visual edits. At this point, a message will prompt you to make visual edits. You can begin to customize individual elements of your UI. To edit an element, select it within the design area. This will open options for modifying that specific component of your interface. If you need to select multiple elements simultaneously, remember to hold the Control key while clicking on each element. This functionality is crucial for making bulk changes efficiently. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.